Guys, we have had some down days for Doge lately. However, we have some massive events surrounding Dogecoin and other cryptos that we will be discussing in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I then let you know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't subscribed with that bell rung already, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And smash that like button if you love Dogecoin, it really does help out the channel. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, as we see the price dip on Doge, and as I'm calling it out when it's steep enough, don't fear. Don't feel like the price is going down and won't stop going down until it gets down to zero, because it simply won't happen. Dogecoin is a very old cryptocurrency. It came out right around the time that Bitcoin came out, and it's gaining more notoriety than ever. With the Dogecoin developers and Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, working together behind the scenes to bridge the gap between Ethereum and Doge, guys, we have a lot to look forward to. And I know you're wondering, why Joel? Why did we just break 50,000 on Bitcoin, yet we're not seeing Dogecoin spike quite the same way? Well guys, oftentimes Dogecoin lags behind by 2 days, 3 days, and then it comes out of nowhere and surprises us more than ever. Guys, there is currently a lot of fear in the market. Why is this? Because of the news. The news as of late is scaring people. People are having fear, they're selling out. Guys, never have paper hands, never sell for less than you bought in for. Always have diamond hands, always have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out. Right now is the time to buy. Now is the time to get greedy. When the prices are going down, it's best to collect at these times so that there's only a short period of time before you see profits. Otherwise, for the people that don't know any better and they buy on the uptrend, that's often where they most regret it. Because that's how the whales make their millions. They make it by scaring the little guys into selling out when they shouldn't, and they intrigue the retail investors into buying on the uptrend when they shouldn't be doing so. Guys, an article just came out titled, "Why Dogecoin is Crypto's Most Dangerous Joke." So Greg Thompson wrote this article. In the article, he talks about how amazed he is that not very many people are using Dogecoin right now for transactional use, yet there is still a lot of volatility in the market. He talks about some of the top whales in the crypto market space have a lot of money in Doge. He says that we oftentimes see Dogecoin coupling with Ethereum and Bitcoin, so that when Bitcoin does spike or Ethereum does spike, we oftentimes see Doge jump up along with it. But guys, what's interesting is he's very wrong about several key points in his article. There's thousands of retail investors right now that are looking into using Dogecoin and currently accepting it. Its transaction fees consistently being reduced nearly down to zero, making it one of the most attractive cryptocurrencies to possibly accept for your company. Dogecoin also being one of the fastest transaction rates. Guys, what does this tell us? This tells us that the whales are putting out market manipulation. They're trying to put fear in the marketplace to get the price of Dogecoin down, and it's working. So now is really some of the best times to look out for that steep dip when I call out the trade signal. Who knows what this guy was paid by the whales to put this fake news out? Nobody knows, but only the people ahead of the curve that are watching these videos know better than to follow that fake news. Guys, Dogecoin has been outperforming some of the top cryptos. So for this guy to say in his article that Dogecoin is a complete ghost town, it's just completely fake and FUD news. And anybody reading this who knows anything about Doge knows better. Another article just came out titled, "Dogecoin core developers release update in preparation for transaction fee reduction." So guys, as I've been discussing, allowing for the transaction speed to be 2.5 times faster, and also for transaction fees regarding Dogecoin to be 1,000 times cheaper. It'll also make mining of Dogecoin 100 times cheaper. Guys, this will literally make it one of the most competitive cryptos in the market space, allowing for more companies to start accepting it, countries and institutions to take it on. Guys, you want to get in before this mass adoption happens. And if you've been buying these steep dips, as I call them, out of my Patreon for Doge, guys, we're going to see huge profits here very soon. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, this fee reduction code update is coming out very soon, so you want to be sure to get in before this happens. Guys, on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're seeing it in the greed, in the very high green for greed. What does this tell us, guys? That a lot of people are getting greedy right now. They're seeing the prices go up, they wish they got in earlier, and they're buying in now. This is causing the prices of cryptos to go up more than ever. I oftentimes see when the greed is this high, massive swings, 20, 30, 40% just within a very short period of time, 24, 48 hours. So you want to buy at these steep dips so that you can take advantage of these profits. Guys, back in 2013, Bitcoin went from $13 all the way up to $1,200 within a very short period of time. And we are currently seeing similar patterns form on the Bitcoin charts. And guys, just as I called out, when we were to surpass 50,000 on the Bitcoin charts, guys, we would see some crazy things happening. And that's what I'm expecting here very soon. Guys, with our level of support for Ethereum being at $3,100, guys, we bounced off that and then we came right up from there. We're almost at 3,300 right now, so if we come down again and bounce off that level of resistance again, guys, that'll give us a double bottom, which is a very bullish sign for a massive uptrend thereafter. So if you bought Ethereum when I called it out just at 1,700 the other day, guys, you've nearly doubled your money by now. And guys, it's completely normal that after we surged past 50,000 on the Bitcoin charts, we came down a bit. We're around 48,000 now. Guys, it's okay. It's completely normal to have a corrections cooldown period during a bull run because we know that some of the top whales took profits at 50,000. So it was completely expected for it to go down a bit after that. So you want to just buy these dips. Always buy the dips, never buy on the uptrend. And guys, on the Dogecoin charts, we're having a bullish pennant form. We went straight up and then we have an ascending triangle, consolidating. And during this consolidation, when it gets to the end of it, guys, it generally breaks up or breaks down. For this one, we broke down. We're having some steep dips that I'm calling out on my Patreon, which is very good. It allows you to take advantage of these low prices because we know with every dip, we have a peak. And with every high peak, we always have a dip. So guys, you want to be ready for that with some cash on the side. We are seeing a bit of an oversold position on the Dogecoin charts. What does this mean? This means we could come down a little bit more from there. So the dips might even become quite a bit more profitable with a huge bounce thereafter. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link to deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth of $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.